have to eat because there's no another option. For you to be able to eat this, you have to spend like 120 rand. Guys, this is Brazil in São Paulo.
Dava pra ser herói no mesmo dia em que escolhia ser vilão.
Guys, I just bought my ticket. That will allow me to travel to Rio de Janeiro. So I'll be going to Rio de Janeiro now. I bought my ticket. They charged me actually 140 reals. So 140 reals to go to Rio de Janeiro. So I'm gonna have the ticket. They asked me my passport, of course. And the time to be going now.
Platform 10.
Yeah?
Platform 10.
But that is my ticket. This is my ticket. So. It's alright. Bon voyage. Okay. Guys, this is where I'm going to take the bus to Rio de Janeiro. And then we're going to drive the whole night. I will arrive certainly tomorrow morning. Guys, be with me till the end of the video and till the end of the trip. If you are new, please do subscribe, like and share the video. I'll see you at the end of this video. I think I should eat something here. I'm trying to find number 10 where I'll be going in. Number 10 should be my boarding. I should be here at that time. My boarding gate should be here. Yeah, now I need to eat something, guys. Yeah, they are selling. I don't know what they're selling here. I can have some chips. Taking that burger. I don't know. How are you? Are you okay? Fine. Huh? You're fine. Oh, there you go.
Je veux ça. I need this. Yeah, so I actually show her what I want, and then I think she's gonna give it to me. You know? Fanta? Fanta. Yeah, Fanta. Guys, I have to stand on the queue here to buy some food because I've been asking myself what to eat. You know, you just have to show it, put your finger there, and then they'll give it to you. Okay.
Não, é só um só. Só tirar aquela.
Yeah, after I pay for it, I need to go to the other side to get it. Pay and get it this side. Chips. We got juice and this a burger. This burger, the chips and the drink cost us, as you can see here, this thing cost us 45 real. 45 reals. Actually, this is equivalent to, this is equivalent for 120 rand. 120 rand. So for you to eat, for you to be able to eat this, you have to spend like 120 rand. Guys, this is Brazil in São Paulo. Yeah. Anyway, I'm hungry. I have to eat, guys. I have to eat because yeah, there's no another option.
proibida no metrô. Não incentive essa prática.
Dava pra ver a ingenuidade, a inocência cantando no tom. Milhões de mundos e universos tão reais quanto a nossa imaginação. Faltava colo, carinho e o remédio era beijo e proteção. Tudo voltava a ser novo, um dia sem muita preocupação.